Are you tired of seeing your Google Drive filled with deleted files that just won't go away? In 2025, managing your cloud storage efficiently is more important than ever. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely empty your Google Drive trash bin and free up valuable space quickly and safely. Start by opening your Google Drive homepage in any web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Bin. That's where all your deleted files live, waiting to be permanently removed or restored. Click on it to open. Inside the bin, you'll notice a list of files that have been deleted but are still taking up space. If you're sure you no longer need these files, it's time to delete them permanently. First, select any file, then press Ctrl plus A on a PC or Command plus A on a Mac. This shortcut will highlight all the files in your bin, saving you the hassle of selecting them one by one. Next, look for the trash icon at the top of the screen and click it. A confirmation message will appear. Double check that you really want to delete these files because this action cannot be undone. Once confirmed, your Google Drive will instantly be cleared of all trash, giving you a fresh start and more storage space. Keeping your bin empty is a small habit that makes a big difference, especially if you're running out of storage. Follow these steps regularly, and your Google Drive will stay organized and efficient. Now that you know how to empty your Google Drive trash bin in 2025, you can keep your digital workspace clutter-free with ease. Give it a try and enjoy the extra space.